What's going on, guys? It's your boy Javon from JVTV, and I'm back with another reaction video for you guys, man. Guys, I'm back with a brand new group to my channel. Today I'll be checking out a group called Darude, and the song that I'll be reacting to is called Sandstorm. Now I had some people send me this and be like, yo, you gotta check this out. I think this is something you really enjoy. So I'm gonna see it in this in this reaction, guys. Don't know what to expect with this one. It's called Sandstorm, so I'm guessing it got to do with the sandstorm. Let's pull this video up. Let me grab these headphones, put these headphones on, and if this is your first time to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Follow me on my social media. You guys already know the spiel, so I'm just gonna jump straight to the video. Darude Sandstorm. Let's check it out. Suspenseful. Why they chasing her? Yo, look at the way he's running. They better catch her. So what he's doing? What's going on? Hold up, man. Hey, somebody gotta explain this. I don't have no clue what's going on. It starts off, she's running with the briefcase in her hand. There's some people chasing her, so I'm guessing they want whatever's in that briefcase. Hopefully, we get to see what's in that briefcase and why they be running so much. They showed a guy who's sitting on the wall. I don't know what's going on, man. I honestly got no clue going on. But obviously, you can tell that this is definitely a techno song. I'm trying to focus on the video, but this beat is getting me hyped a little bit. But I'm still confused, man. Let's run it back. I love the suspense. Okay. Yeah. I guess this song ain't got no got no words. Oh wow, she running. Oh gosh. They got a dog in it too? It's like he had a mission. Go get that briefcase. Yeah. Yo, this is so interesting, man. Yeah. Okay. Oh, snap. Hey. Yeah. Woo. We getting to the end. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. It's so crazy, I can't stop dancing to this. It's actually running in slow motion. Yeah. Oh gosh, open that briefcase. Wait. And now you see why a lot of men have trust issues. This entire time she was pretending like she was with him, and then towards the end, she done kicked him out and run off with the girl. And then people wonder why a lot of men have trust issues. This story, what is this? What is this guy doing here? I got no clue like what his purpose is, but good gosh, man, I gotta admit, this song they got no words, but it don't need no words. Just the whole beat and the way it flows, it just makes you want to move your body, man. I think this is one of the songs that was made for you to just dance and have fun with. But man, this video is something else. Open that briefcase. Oh, he the driver. So they're a couple. Oh. I didn't see that coming. Yo, I have no clue what I just watched. But I gotta tell you, man, like this was something interesting. I did not expect that ending. You know, I thought, okay, maybe they might catch up to her. Maybe she might get away with the briefcase. She got away with it, but only because the girl that was chasing her helped. But I gotta say, man, this song is something. This song is something else. You know, it seems like one of these songs in the '90s that when this come on in the club, everybody want to get hype. You know, because just sitting here, this song just made me want to move. You know, you don't need no words. I love that the parts that was suspenseful. It just like an anticipation was building up. I'm like, oh yeah, I'm ready for it. You better drop it, man. I'm ready for it. But yeah, guys, this was Darude Sandstorm. You guys let me hear your thoughts on this down below in the comment section. If this is your first time hearing this song, let me hear your thoughts on it. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. Like and share the video. Follow me on my social media. All my links will be in the description as always. I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's been your boy Jay. Peace.
Essa daqui é pica, hein?